When it comes to chemistry, which is what I did my career in and my Ph.D. in, I've always been fascinated with science, and it just explains things to the core. When I did a chemistry in college, I had to be a TA, and I really loved teaching. It was so rewarding. The combination of having to teach in a STEM area is what really attracted me to this. Also, I do a lot of art, and I'm quite creative. Just combining all of that and bringing it to children, I think our community needs more of that. But we're a pretty unique space in the area or in the country. We have people travel from all over the world, and they're like, oh, this is an amazing space. I wish we lived close by. We can have my kids come here. What is unique about our business compared to other businesses in Aurora or even the greater Denver area is that we have 3D printers, we have sewing machine, we have a laser engraver, all these things that are normally very typical for a regular makerspace, but this is for children. We have instructors that know how to use these and are experts in it. The team is so creative, it's awesome. What we call our programs and any similar programs enrichment programs is because they often give something that you cannot find in traditional schooling. And I know a lot of schools are now coming with their own little maker spaces or their own art areas, and that is beautiful. Like, I wish every single school would have that. Right now, things are changing, and they're changing fast. And I think children really need to have a space in which they can get creative and learn other skills that are not taught in school. I wouldn't have gone and opened this business if I didn't want to create an impact, a positive impact. Just come to Minecraft. You're gonna see how fun it is. We have fun. We really have fun.